Man, that shit fell off quick. Um, Sorry, I didn't finish this. I'm gonna have to finish this after this. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac. The move was to actually take this sell. I noticed this bear candle finish right now a couple minutes ago, and then shit, it's just falling. I was gonna wait till open. Look at that, last 2 minutes. Let it fall off. It's pretty fucking beautiful too. Now that I look at it right here, it's real nice. Break a structure to the downside. Let's see here. Let's see what it did. From here to here, 50% ILC, rejection. Right? That shit is still falling too. That shit fell like 70 pips in 3 minutes. It's crazy. Alright, so we have that, right? We see why it rejected, right? Now we have the low, break below this low. It's gonna show some respect here, I'm sure. But this was the move I was actually looking for. I was looking to take it from here. Or no, from here. Damn, that shit's still flying. I might have missed it. Damn. Um, Another thing that I seen right here was the resistance to support. We might have missed it. Fuck. That's crazy. Do you see it here? Resistance, 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 support, support, support. Resistance, 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 support, support. But now that it's done that, still like this area, but I don't think it'll retrace back up here. No, we have another 50% ILC right here, so let's see. I'm probably taking a couple shells off of this area. It looks real bearish. I mean, this shit might just continue going. I think the only way I take this is if it gets up to at least this area right here. Like a small retrace. We would be looking at something like 65 pips. And I think we could take this thing. We could take it here to 61.8, but I also think if it breaks past there, then we're going to see a free fall down to here. So let's see what open gives us. We got about 8 minutes. Let's see if we get the retrace back up right here. Come to this level. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see here. Let me see here. Damn. All right, so I like this right here. My bad, I was just looking at it. Some dude just, it's pretty crazy. This big money, man. I'm not ready for it yet, but one day soon, oh, I'll be ready. All right, so I like this one too, actually. Hasn't broke below here, but it did break below the ILC. I mean the EMA. Yeah, see, I don't know if I'd like to, just because of where it's at, I don't know if I'd like to take this. You know, that's basically right there, right? Man, let's just go to the bigger time frame real quick. 1 hour. Yeah, so there's different things that I just don't like about this. Um, I think I like the other area up top, or I mean the US30 pair to trade. But you could see right here, it looks like a retest, right? So price broke above, right? Created a higher high. This is on the 5 minute. Now you can see at this point it started respecting this area, right? With the 15-minute 50 EMA. Um, I just feel like it's showing more. I know it's coming down. I think that even with the news that we had today, we had good news. I think, the past few weeks we've been having terrible news and prices just continuing to make its way up. So now right here, sorry, this is yesterday. EBP, unemployment claims were better than expected. Trade balance better than expected. FOMC members speaking, that's going to happen in a couple hours. But I think with the news that we're looking to go ahead and continue to push down. You can see the crossover already started to happen, right? It's respecting this area though, so it'd be hard. I'd be hard pressed to see that right now. I think if anything, we'd be seeing something around. Yeah, there's not even really a retrace area. Let's see. It's still showing a pretty strong move to the downside, which I do like. Let me check out where US30 is at right now too. All right. So you can see it came up to the 61%, even though there's not like a strong ILC right there. And barely even tapped the wick, but it seems like that at least there's a 3 minute ILC right there. Right, but it came up to the 61%, rejected it, broke through the EMAs, came back and respected them, using them as resistance, and looks to continue down, which I do like. But the only thing I don't like is this 15-minute 50 EMA right here. So those are two things that I'm going to be looking at. This one's not really coming up, right? So we got to see what this does at open. So I'm going to be looking at both of these. Um, I'm going to be looking at both of them just so I can see where to enter. what looks like, because both of them look like they have a ways to come down. I just don't like the way the NAS is really setting itself up with the 15-minute 50 EMA sitting under it. Oh, okay, so there we are. We're starting to see a little bit of a push up right here. Hopefully we can see it make its way up here and we can take the sell down. So we had the rejection here at the ILC. Now I'm thinking we could see it come back down on this side. Let's see. Got about 40 seconds till open. It's the 1 minute. 5 minutes way up here. It could make it up here too, right? It's definitely a possibility. 15-minute. Right up here as well. Alright, it's go time. Alright, let's see. I just put a small 0.02 sell in just because I know it. I don't know, I just don't. Maybe that was a bad move. But I just put a small one in right now. See it rejecting somewhat. But once it gets to around 816, that's where I'll be looking to sell. Bigger position. Mm. All right, I just put another sell in right now. Oh, shit. Might be too early to move though. Damn. Yeah, you see that's a little bit indecisive right there. Still using that level. See if it breaks through though. I'm in about my top position. See if it can fall through right here. It's not really breaking through this ILC, right? It's kind of using this support still. Let's see if it can break through here. Oops. Might not. Alright, still holding these positions. Let's see if it can move now. Looks like we might be in business, but it has to break through here. Let's see. Has to break through here. Alright, we're in business. Move stops to break even now. We're up more than enough pips right now. Um, about 30 pips, so 40 pips. I'm moving stops to break even right now. All right, I just moved stops to break even. We're up pretty decent right now, about 47 pips. Around 27% area. I'm gonna take some profits. Let's see. There's a big rejection. Hopefully it doesn't move up on us right here. Damn, that should just miss my take profit. I don't like that. Damn. Yeah, I don't like that at all. That reaction. I don't like that at all. Let me see some real quick. Hopefully it can use this as support, but the way it's looking, it looks like there's a lot of push to the upside. There's a lot of support or resistance, support, support. So let's see if it could fall off right here. That's the goal. See if it could fall off. Yeah, it's not really breaking it. Damn. Never really seen a 1 minute candle finish like that. It's kind of ugly. Damn. Motherfucker. I don't like the way it's looking. I ain't gonna lie. Really need this candle to finish bearish just because when you look at the 5 minute, right, it's coming up pretty soon to match this. Once it does that, comes through, takes us out. It's already on the verge of taking me out on my bottom positions. So we just need this thing to fall right now. I was going to take profit at 27% at the negative 27% right here, but it was so quick of a move up that I missed it. And yeah, so let's see if, I mean, I don't like that because it's still a big move to the upside available right here. So hopefully it uses this 20 EMA with the ILC, use it as resistance, and we can see it fall down right here. Let's see. still early in the clock. Hopefully it just comes down more bearish, more move to the downside. That's better for us. It, confirms the continuation. Damn, Nas kind of made a move too. I gotta lie, I put a little something on Nas around 258. I don't recommend doing this, but I seen the move happening live. Um, I think I'm gonna just take profits though. It's about to stop me out. Just stop me out. No way. This shit really about to come up on us. I'm like, I just got stopped out on my bottom positions. See what it does this next candle. My top position's still in, bottom position isn't. I'm about to get stopped out on my other position. Pretty damn close. Damn. I was up about $500. Got stopped out. See if I could enter another position somewhere around here. I just entered another one right here, even though it might come up on us. I wanted to enter that just because I knew this 1 minute EMA was right here, 50 EMA. So I just entered it probably at the exact same area that I had the other one, a little bit higher. So I'll just leave it right there, and we'll see if it's either going to come our way or continue to push up. I mean, I want to say and believe that this is going to come down from here. So let's see if it does. Man, that shit gets me. It's one of those things that get me super pissed when I have a trade in and, you see the stop at the negative 27 per. Oh, that looks good. Might enter some more. See what it does right here with the 20 EMA. You see how it used the 20 EMA right here, the blue line? Came down really quick, tapped that, respected it, rejected it, and now it's on the move up. I don't like that. I was almost going to add some more positions right now, but we got one position in right here. Honestly, I'm going to keep it in till here. So this is what we're looking like. What I should do is this. Stopped out here. Stopped out at break even. To another position here. Same area. Alright. Next position I'll add will be probably about right here. So we'll see. What I tell you about that Nas respected the 15-minute 50 EMA and he's shooting up. This thing, I don't know what it respected really to shoot up like this, but maybe the news, who knows. I just put a little sell in right now. We'll see if there's really any move to it. But I put a little in right now. We'll see what happens. Whoa, that's a big rejection right there. Now it has to break through this 1-minute 50 EMA. Instead of using it as resistance, we don't want it to use it as support now. So you see how it came down, kind of respected it, rejected it. It could continue up now. I don't like this candle right here. This bear candle, that doesn't do it for me. I need to see something break through here. You see, that's why exactly why it tested, like, why it's pushing up, right? So, I mean, hopefully we don't take the loss. I got two positions in right now. I'm in at sorry, I'm looking at, nah, shoot the hell up. I'm in at 807 and 780. So, let's see. Hopefully it can respect this and come down from here. And I like the move it made. See if it can continue down now. Got about 20 seconds left. A lot of time for it to continue to push up. Let's see. Sorry, I can remove this shit now. That was our original trade idea. See if it could make its way down. 30 seconds left. Yeah, you know the one thing that kind of messes with me right here, the biggest thing that messes with me is like my issue right now. I've been having some success lately, right? And one of the things that I've been doing is kind of, okay, don't count the pips. I mean, don't count the money, count the pips, right? So I've kind of been on that tip. Don't count the money, count the pips. And, I was up about $500 and like, it was pretty quick, like 3, 4 minutes, right? So at that point, when you're like, count the pips, I gotta believe, at a certain point, $500 in 3 minutes counts for something, right? Like I thought it was gonna be more, maybe $1,000 in 15 minutes, which counts for something too. I like that rejection right there. Let's go. Let's see if it could continue this push down over the next 15 seconds. Um, but not taking the profits. Now I'm down in drawdown right now. I'm not down for the day, down in drawdown. And it's kind of I don't even know how to explain it. But let's see if we could continue this push right here. Moral of the story, I should have pulled that money and been happy and been on with my day. But let's go ahead and trust the process right here. Trust what we got going right here. So we don't want it to use this as support again, which it kind of looks like what it's doing, right? Let's just see if we could finish real bearish down here. See, I don't like that type of finish up here. We need it to finish down here. And see if we can break through here. We got to break through the EMAs, and then we got to break through this ILC. If we don't see that, we're probably going to see a continuation up. So, oh shit, son. That was a big little pull down. Let's see. I don't like that rejection, right? Rejection out of the EMA along with the IOC. Exactly what I said. We needed to be real bullish through here. We got 20 seconds left. Let's see if we can finish real bullish through here. That's the goal. Ah, I don't like that. See if it could come down these last 5 seconds farther. I want it to be bullish through here, like right to here. Uh, see what it gives us right here. Come on, push through this motherfucker, man. Push through it, push through it, push through it, push through it, push through it. I think I'm about to close my bottom position right here at $100. Fuck it, I'll close it right there. So I just have the 2.05s that I put up top. Now we're in business. All right, let's see. Let's see if it can run through this motherfucker right here. Moving stops to break even. I don't like that. Using the ILC as support again. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. And let's see if it could use this as resistance and come down. That's all we can really show right now. No way does this come back up on us. I don't see it. No way. No fucking way. I kind of see a little something here, right? Support, breakthrough, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, push up. This is key right here. If it breaks through this, wow. No way. That is terrible. This shit's really on its way, huh? I need to finish real bearish like that. If it finishes like this, then we're in business. If it pulls back up and shows a big rejection, then we're not. Like that ain't gonna work for me. That ain't gonna cut it. That definitely ain't gonna cut it. No way. Nah, it doesn't look good. Damn. Just to give you some insight, my position that I have in now, I closed this position that I had in like right here, but this one is in about 32. Just about. Let's see if this shit could fly down now. Has to break through this. Come on now. I don't like that. It's it's respecting this area too much. I think I'm about to close my shit. It's respecting this. You can see it, right? Support, 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 resistance. So, I mean, if it breaks through here, then I don't fucking know. No fucking way. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I don't like all the rejections right here. We got 2 minutes left. I need this thing to finish real fucking bearish down here. Let's look at the rejections out of here. 5 minute to 15 minute. This inverted hammer is great, but I don't see it. Just come down, man. Yeah, I don't think we're on the right side of this trade. If it breaks through here, which it looks like it is, then we're in trouble. We need this thing to turn bearish and come down, but think we're on the wrong side of this shit. Left head, or left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Push up. There's a possibility right here. Come on, just fall off, homie. That shit's gonna fly up right now. Just fall off, homie. Just do it. We need this minute. These 40 seconds here are key. We need this shit to come down here. Truthfully, I need it to come down here. If it's gonna finish this way, look at the 15 minute. I mean, yeah, it still would finish bearish if it finished here, but there's big rejections coming out of this area. Also, this ILC right here, so it just doesn't look good. We need this shit to finish a lot more bearish. We got 10 seconds left. Let's see if we can continue down right here. This is what we need. I want it to finish down here. Didn't finish down there. You know what? I think I'm about to close some shit just so I can secure some profits right here. I think I am. I think I'm gonna secure half my position right here just to secure it. Let me see. Wow, is that shit really respecting it again? I think this shit might be waiting for FOMC. Now that I'm looking at it, it could be consolidating just for FOMC. Because that's what I see right here is consolidation forming. Fall the fuck off already. There's something about this 750 zone right here. Look at this shit. Fuck me. Wow, this motherfucker's playing with me, dog. Wow. Wow. That shit's really doing this. I think it might be consolidating. That's kind of where I'm at right now with this. I think it is consolidating. See that? Using it as support. So, price is just ranging out in this area right now, which I don't like. Um, Damn. Hey, what's up, Trav? What's up, Marlon? Thank you guys for being on with me. Honestly, I might take some profits right here, depending how everything looks, because it's just ranging, right? I like that. Let's see if it can come down now. Let's see if it could really make a move down to the downside. Doesn't look like it wants to. It's crazy, man. Honestly, I might just take profits because I think it's gonna come up and stop me out. Look at that shit. You fucking kidding me, dog? Damn. Wow. Talk about a fake out. This candle gave me a little bit of hope right here. This bear candle. Now look at it. This one's finishing bullish. The next one's going to be on top. Using it as support now, and then it's going to push up. Buck. Wow. I can't believe this shit. Can't believe it. It's about to take out my bottom position. Damn, I'm going to feel like a jack if all I made was $68 today. Leaving a lot of, I've left about $1,000 on the table now. Um, was up $500 on this move. Was up $500 on this move. And really got nothing to show for it. And so, see if we can make this move down. Come on, man. I like that, but what is it going to do with it? Is it going to just use it as support again? Let's see. See, using it as support again. Something about that fucking zone. Just come down. Stop bullshitting. Come on, man. Just make your fucking move down. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Just break through that motherfucker. Come on. Ah, I think this shit's about to sit in consolidation. That's truly what I'm thinking. Damn, bro, you gotta be kidding me. Ah, no way. Wow. This shit is really bullshitting. That's crazy. Damn, might be time to just call it quits on this motherfucker, unfortunately. Um, let's see. This shit's terrible. Like there's a lot of hope with all of these candles. I'm like, oh, it looks like it's coming down. Looks like it's coming down. You know, this candle and that candle, it looks like it's coming down, but look at it. 1 minute left, it could turn bullish and make its way up. So this last minute, wow. This last minute is key, but it looks like it's making its way up for the last minute, which isn't good for us. I feel so many confirmations for it to come down, but it looks like it's just not going to. I think it's waiting for FOMC at 9 a.m. So if it could come down here, if it could finish right here, the entire body finish down here, then we're in business. But if it stays up here, it's just a continuation up. Wow. Fucking kidding me, man. Yep. Gonna start making its way up there. Morning, baby. How you doing? How'd you sleep?
Good. I sleep great.
Yeah, your brother doesn't sound great.
This one.
I don't know. He's been crying the whole time.
Wow, why?
All right. Wow. I feel like it's waiting to take a big move somewhere. I just don't know where. Like I know a big move is coming. It's either going our way or not our way. But a big move is coming. And I think I'm telling you, I wanna close it, but yeah, this shit's bullshitting actually. What am I doing? And there it goes. Our way. I mean, not our way. Going against us. Hold on, sorry. They did. They're coming our way or what?
See the fireworks on the way over? John's tossing a block party for beating the case. Yeah, right. Everybody loves it. He wipes out Paul Castellano. And the
Alright, I'm thinking about taking profits. Fuck it. And then it shoots back up right before I do. This shit's something else. Alright, I just pulled a .03. I have a .07 running. That put me to 200 for the day.
So your application stands out from the crowd. Here's to putting your best foot forward. Nail your delivery every time you write with Brandon.
Man, that shit's really doing this. Wow. The only thing that's holding me in this trade is the respect it's showing to this fucking EMA right here. It's the only thing holding me in this trade. And it just doesn't want to break below the ILC, the purple area. It just doesn't want to break below it. So It's hard to say what it's going to do, but I think ultimately it looks like the move is to the upside, right? We got the big engulfing candles up, key rejection, right? But let's see how this last minute finishes. If it finishes up here, then we know it's coming up our way against this. The 15 minute, I mean, if we can have this thing finish bearish in here, finish in here, then we're in business, you know? Come on, let's break through it. Wow. I just closed another 0.02. That put me at 271 for the day. And I might just close all of it, but let's see if it can finally fall off right here. I've been patiently waiting, but yeah, let's see.
She looks like she's ready to jump.
Wow. That shit's really playing with us.
Mommy, that's Mr. Noodle's brother, Mr. Noodle. They all have the same name. Mrs. Noodle, Mr. Noodle.